Hi YouTube, it's PCP Reversi, and today I'm going to be opening up a Cardfight Vanguard G Touken Ranbu online, aka the second box of the Sword Boy set, and yeah, so let's get to opening it. Ooh, we got a, is it a clan card? Yes it is. Nice! Clan card. Oh gosh, what did I do to the video? There we go. I don't know if that actually came up, but yeah. Nice clan card. I wish it was a different character, but whatever. I like the back, it's cool. Then we have the all-important card list, which I need to keep track of my collection. And yeah, so let's get opening. I don't know if some of these have the same artwork or not, because I know that they're going to use the same characters, but yeah. Whether there's reprints or not, I don't know. Trap. So we have... Bear with me, I'm getting the name. Where is it? Izumi no Kami Kanesada Toku. It's a very long name. But yeah, that's our double R. Just move that there. Oh, unique. There's a circle at the back. God, that looks like a bloody yandere character. Ooh, he's cool. And more res. I don't like yandere characters. Sorry if you do, but I don't see the appeal in the yandere characters. So I don't even know if that guy's a yandere, but it looks like her. Like the eyes, they're red, they're wide. Else, oh yes, the Alibaba card. Yes! And our other card is number 15, Hizamaru, which is easier to say. And he looks cool with his teeth and the sword. So awesome. Okay. Oh, that's cute. Our second double R is Jirotachi Toku, which is a grade 3. Nice. And we have a few packs left. I can see it. I can see it, and I saw the back of the card. We have a G Guardian of Juzumaru Tsunetsugu. It's awesome. The texture on it is awesome and shiny and cool. I wasn't expecting the first GR to be a G Guardian, but that's awesome. Well, they don't have G Guardians in the set, so that makes perfect sense. And yeah. And we have 2 more packs. So let's see who we can get. Okay, so our triple R is Hotomaru Toko. So cool. I don't really have anything else to say. I need all of the cards in the set, and if I don't have it, then I don't care. So, life of a collector. And our final double, oh, that's a very nice double R. Our final double R is Taro Tachi Toku. Oh, they're all well, I guess that makes sense. Touken Ranbu, so yeah. Anyway, our recap pulls are the, I think 5 double Rs, or is it 4? 4 double Rs, 1 GR, and 1 triple R. So overall, good pulls. I mean, they are set pulls in every single box, so, you know, but yeah, we got a GR, so yeah. And GRs aren't guaranteed in boxes, I don't think. Yeah, no, they're not guaranteed in boxes. Sometimes I don't get them at all. And yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.